Alright, we are now with my good friend Monks. Monks, brother, what's in your bag?
What's in my bag? Wedges. Ang wedge ko, halo.
Cleveland.
Okay, so 56 na low bounce na Turak, Cleveland Zipcore RTX. Tapos yung 50 and 58 ko SM9 and SM9 parehong low bounce.
Full yung 50, tapos 8 parehas.
MO.
Ay.
Ano ko ng bouncy. Tapos ang irons, T100S na naka NS50 Pro 850GH na stiff. Parang gusto ko na magpalit.
Makikita lang ba sa marketplace yan?
Tapos meron akong for driving hybrid
iron.
tawag nila.
Driving
DHY
hybrid.
for iron na tailor made.
Nice.
Sim na 44 iron. Tapos 3 wood, i2 hybrid Cobra Speed King 17 degrees. 3 wood ko Cobra din kasi Cobra yung driver ko dati. Parehong King na speed zone 14 degrees.
And
My driver kakapalit ko lang
the big stick.
Old upgrade, anong tawag doon?
Hindi ko rin alam.
Sim 2
Sim 2
Max from Cobra hindi downgrade kasi
Oo, hindi. Ilang degrees yan, brother? 9?
10.5 na naka-low ako so 8.5.
Tapos yung putter.
Putter Cleveland na frontline.
Nice. Thank you, brother.
Thank you.
Thank you.